Hello everyone, so this week I have a couple of projects. These are little sucker holders, and here's the other one. And if you would like to see how I made these, keep watching because I'm going to have a process video for this, as well as these cute little boxes that I made, or little pouches, however you want to call them. And there is also magnetic, so there's a magnet inside to hold the boxes closed. Here is the other one. So if you want to know how I made these, please keep watching. Okay, so this piece of cardstock, you're going to need 10.5 inches by 4 1/4. Then you're going to score it at 2 inches, 5 3/4 inches, and 7 inches. And I will have all the measurements down below. So this piece is 3.5 by 4 1/4. This piece is 4 1/4 by 2 inches. And then these ones I just kind of cut extra pieces, and I will have these in the description box below. I'm just going to have this be the scallop piece and the batter. I didn't measure those ahead of time, so I apologize, but I'll have those in the description box below. I also have another project that we are going to work on together with this little mini envelope. The envelope that I used for this, it's called the Scallop Lace envelope, and it looks like this from Sizzix. And then this is some Rubons. I have 2 of these Cello bags. These are the really small size, and you can get these at your party supply. And then just some hearts and die cuts and some magnets in there as well. I have 2 of these little heart, but I might put just the love, and I might just rub that on this little heart. So there's that. So I went and picked up some of these candy bracelets and watches. I picked up some of these carnival heart pops. I picked up some of these cookies and cream hearts. I picked up 2 of those. I picked up some of these marshmallow hearts. I picked up some of these hugs. Now I know they are from Christmas, but I'm just going to put in these 2 colors here for Valentine's Day. if you go check out your Walgreens, they have 70% off for Christmas candy. And I picked up several bags of these hugs. So definitely a good deal. They were only $1. So go check out your Walgreens for any leftover Christmas candy, and you can, some of them you can use for Valentine's Day candy as well. I won't be able to put these in there, so I'll have to keep these out. I didn't realize that they were so big. So that's it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!